Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is our day 42 of challenging 365 days. So as you know that we are currently reading the book Atomic Habit, and within a few days the book get totally completed by reading. So after that, let's see what book we just go to read. But coming from the today topic, that what we have study in today's, that is how we become the master of any habit. So the author have just given a example, just given a, sorry, not example, just given a formula. You just have select a habit and doing that thing in a continuous way, in a disciplined way. After, you just need to suppose if you just want to become a reader, you just want to build a reading habit, then what you should have need, first of all, you just have need to fix a habit. Suppose that should be the book reading, and after that you just have need to repeat that process in a continuous way without missing a single day or without missing a week. Not a single day, if you just miss a single day then it's okay, but if you just have need to, you just have need to try to that you can't go to repeat that cap from one day to two day. So you just have need to be consistent and repetitions of that thing. After that you just become the master of that thing. So if you just want to achieve any of the thing, not only book reading, if you just want to become a fit person, then you just have need to do the same. You just have need to join a gym, you just have need to go in a regular basis. After that, if you just go for a few weeks, few months, after that, for few years, you just see within a year your whole body will get transformed from bad postures to good posture, from the fatty body to the slim body. So you just have need to do one thing, that is repetitions of that exercise. In any field, when you start repeating the things, that the thing become, for that thing you just become the master of that thing. So repetition is the key to become the master of any habit. So that is all about today. Bye bye guys.